after 12th standard. So I was more interested in arts. During my bachelor's, so I got an opportunity to study one exchange semester abroad, that is in Germany. But I think in soil it's more about like a holistic learning. It also teaches a lot of other things, like we have a lot of activities which is included in this course. So one thing I can say that it is a very intensive program, but I do not feel the pressure at all at soil. And also I have been placed in Accenture as a business analyst. Hello, my name is Sudarshana and I have done my bachelor's in architecture from CEPT University, Ahmedabad, and post that I decided to do my own startup. So I ran it for like 2 years. It was basically a startup of a restaurant. Meanwhile, I had the urge to pursue the master's in business administration. Then I decided to choose a PGPM 1-year program at SOIL. After 12th standard, so I was more interested in art. So during my childhood days, at school days itself, I have participated in numerous art competitions, and I have won awards also, national and international level. So my passion towards art pushed me to pursue architecture. So therefore I went for architecture, bachelor's in architecture, and CEPT is one of the premium institute for architecture, so I decided to pursue there. During my bachelor's, so I got an opportunity to study one exchange semester abroad, that is in Germany, and during that time I struggled for food, like for Indian food particularly. In that time I started learning cooking, and I found my passion for cooking as well. So I was very much interested. I used to see a lot of cookbooks and YouTubes and used to cook food for my friends as well. So when I came back to India, I had interest in food. So I thought, why not to start up a restaurant? So that's how my idea for the restaurant began. Architecture and restaurant to me goes hand in hand, because when I had my startup, I also did design the interiors of the restaurant. So somehow I did have a touch of both architecture and business. So that's why I was very much curious to do my startup. So why I chose the 1-year program instead of the 2-year was that I wanted to get into the corporate world as quick as possible, because I have already been working. So I didn't want to lose that gap of just studying for 2 years. So I wanted to quickly get into the corporate world so I can gain experience and also start working quickly. So that's also one reason that I did the PGPM program. So basically I see a lot of difference between the 1-year and 2-year success program. So in 1 year, it is a very comprehensive program, I feel. Back to back you have classes like from Monday to Saturday, you're 100% occupied, fully occupied. You don't have time for other extracurricular activities, but I feel it's academic oriented completely. So unlike the 2-year program, so you do have some time for yourself and for other extracurricular activities. But 1-year program is more comprehensive, and also I feel it is very crucial for the people who have some work experience to upskill themselves quickly and then again get back to the corporate world. So for students who want to have a leisure times studying and also explore other activities also, I think 2-year program would fit them right. One thing that I really like about SOIL is that its values and the kind of course and curriculum that they have. Actually, when you compare it with other B schools, SOIL's program is a bit relaxed. I feel like it is not too much competitive, like unlike other B schools, like they are too much oriented on the scores and marks. But I think in SOIL it's more about like a holistic learning. It also teaches a lot of other things, like we have a lot of activities which is included in this course, and also I really like the Sidbari trip, which is a part of this course. I really enjoyed going there. So I think that way I actually do not feel the pressure. But I think unlike other, let's say, top B schools, if I had gone, I would have definitely felt the pressure. So one thing I can say that it is a very intensive program, but I do not feel the pressure at all at SOIL. I actually enjoy the learning process over here. That's what I really like about SOIL. When I joined SOIL, my goals were basically to upskill myself, to learn quickly as possible, like to gain comprehensive knowledge about analytics and marketing particularly, because these are two of my favorite subjects. And also one of the goals is to get into a good corporate like big MNCs. Well, I feel I have achieved these goals so far because I have been constantly upskilling myself since the beginning. I really enjoy the classes over here, and I like each and every assignment and project that's been given. And I also really like my peers over here. They're all friendly and they are good to work. So I really enjoy working with all of them, and I am learning from them as well. So I feel yes, I have achieved these goals, and also I have been placed in Accenture as a business analyst. My advice to the the students who will be joining the PGPM course is that they have to actually put in extra efforts to study during the class hours as well as apart from the class hours. Like they have to utilize all the details given over here and use each and every opportunity which is available in soil, because these are wonderful opportunities to upskill yourself. If I have to say about myself, I had participated in the ILC event, so I have participated in dropshipping and I did make the most use of it. In dropshipping also my team won the first place. I think opportunities are abundant in soil and I would say just make the most of it. So one of my favorite memories in soil is a dropshipping project. So what dropshipping basically is that we have to look for a particular product and then rebrand it. We came up with this idea of rebranding shark sliders. So these are basically sliders which you can wear during your raining days or even at home you can wear. We did source for the vendors in the old markets of Delhi. So we went to Sarojini and we also went to Banjara market, me and my team. Also we created our own website for dropshipping and we had to work on the cost. We also worked about the marketing strategies. So we had our own social media page for our dropshipping project. I think it was all over a very fun-filled activity for me. So we had a great time and luckily my team won first place in the dropshipping award. And also we got to know about the customer preferences in Delhi, particularly NCR. Also we were surprised to get orders from outside Delhi as well. So that was really interesting for us.